friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of exited account on the application of AI Chatbot Nova. You will click on settings. In this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above, you will search for Chatbot AI Nova. Here we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we click on storage. Here we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.